Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am posting my video early today. We have a birthday party to go to today, so I am kid free so I can get this done. I feel like I was in and out of Walgreens today, which is awesome. Not the greatest haul today because I didn't have all my coupons, but I'm definitely going to be doing a second haul because there were some deals that I definitely wanted to do, so I'm going to share with you guys on that on Tuesday. But other than that, everything went by smoothly except my Revlon coupon. Now, I ended up buying one expensive item and one cheaper item. The coupon beeped. She ended up taking off the cheaper item. I'm not going to fight it, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Usually with the Walgreens coupons, it always takes the higher one off first. So I don't know if it was the employee discount, because I do get an employee discount because my husband works for the manufacturer or through the company, or not. So if your guys' beep, let me know, but I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting some Dixie plates. Now these were $2.29. There is some coupons I think coming out this Sunday. Otherwise I had a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys would use. So you guys would end up paying $3.58 for 2 of these. And then I also have a deal, it's an older deal from Saving Star for $1 off a 2. So I ended up getting that. So you guys would get these for $2.58 or just $1.29 a piece. I really like these plates, so for $1.29 I'm gonna go ahead and get that. I ended up getting the Revlon nail files. Now this is an all month deal. Now I did make a video showing you guys the whole breakdowns of the Revlon sale, so make sure you guys definitely check that out. I posted it yesterday, but the last deal that I was talking about, somebody did confirm that that is the sale. So if you guys have those coupons, you know, spread them out. I just say spread them out. But these were $2.79. They're buy 2 you get 3,000 points. So you guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we got in today's inserts. You guys would pay $3.58 for these, but then you get 3,000 points, making it just 58 cents or 29 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. If you guys need some brushes, or not brushes, nail files. I also got, I'm gonna lock my door real quick. I also got some nice brand baggies. Now these were buy one get one free, or buy one get 2 free. So these are $2.79. You can mix and match between these and the garbage bags that they have. They're the chintzy garbage bags, they're not the greatest ones, but you guys would just pay $2.79. Makes these just 93 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys like that. Yeah, let me show you guys the makeup item I got. I threw everything like a bag, I just dumped it all out, but I can't find it. So, the next deal we got is the Angel Soft toilet paper. Now the coupons that are available on coupons.com, they do not qualify for these. They are for the mega roll or like a 12 pack. These are only a 9 pack. So, make sure you guys, I saw somebody's like, oh, I used all those coupons. Yeah, they might scan, but do not use them because that's not the right coupon, you know. Sometimes the stores don't get reimbursed when I see people do that stuff. But these were $2.99, and there is a $1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making it just $1.99. Now I used to use this stuff like crazy before I started couponing because it was cheap and I just needed toilet paper, but now I upgraded and we get the nice stuff. So this is the stuff I will use if I need to, but usually, you know, I kind of donate this stuff in case somebody needs some toilet paper. It's just as good, not complaining, I've had worse, but I'm just saying. Now I ended up getting some cereal. I got the special case cereal. Now these were 2 for $5. I printed off a $1 off a 2 coupon from, what is it, the Kellogg's Family Rewards site. So definitely join that. If you guys haven't joined that, that's how you guys can get free gift cards and you get points to buy better coupons, if you guys want to do that deal. But I use that $1 off of 2 coupon. You guys would pay $3.25 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a 65-cent rebate times 2 with Ibotta, making it just $2.70 or $1.35. So if you guys want to get some decent cereal for $1.35, definitely go for it. I got vanilla and almond and red berries. I can't remember what 1 Graham likes, but I ended up just getting both of those for him. I got the Purex liquid. Now the crystals too. I was trying to get the app to work. I didn't even check. She said my digitals did work, but I was trying to get the app to work and they were just acting funny. But yeah, my digital did work. I had a $1 off digital, so yes. Okay, so these were, was it $2.99? These are $1.99. You guys want to use that $1 off digital coupon if you guys have it. You guys would just get this for 99 cents, which I think is a great deal for 99 cents for laundry detergent. So, yes. Now, I didn't have any of the soft soap coupons. I do have only 2 of them. I don't have 4 of them to do that deal. And I already have a ton of hand soap. So I'm like, I'm just going to do the deal without the coupons. So the bigger ones are $2.99, which you guys can use the coupons for. The smaller ones are $1.99, and you cannot use those coupons because it's a smaller size. But these are $1.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would pay $5.97 for all 4 of these. Then you guys would get 4,000 points, and you can pay with points on this deal. You guys can do this deal as many as you want. If you need to clear off the shelf of hand soap, you guys can do it. I wouldn't recommend it, but you guys can do it. But you guys would get these for $1.97 or just 49 cents a piece if you guys want to do the soft soap deal. And I had the Revlon Lip. I wonder if it's in my bags. I got the like cheap Revlon Lip. I can't find it. Lost it. Well, whatever. It's around here somewhere. But I got the Snickers. Now the Snickers were on sale this week for $1.99. I do know there's a new coupon coming out. Otherwise, no new coupon. We still have some older ones. So you guys want to use the 2 off of 3 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys would just get these for $3.97. That comes out to be $1.32 a piece, which I think $1.32 a piece is a pretty decent deal, especially if you guys have a lot of kids. Definitely go ahead and do that deal. I'm kind of ticked off. I don't know where my Revlon Kiss went. I wonder if it like dropped out. I don't remember seeing it on the countertop. I don't know what happened to it, you guys. But the next deal I got is I got the Revlon gloss, and then I also got the lip balm for $4.99. The gloss was $8.99. The coupon is supposed to take the $8.99 price off, so you guys would get the $4.99 deal. But it didn't come off. She just did the $4.99 one, so my loss. But if it does work for you guys, it'd be absolutely free after you guys get the $5 register reward. So you guys can do this deal as many times as you want. You just have to do it in separate transactions if you guys do that deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. But yeah, that was my haul. I didn't get very much. Like I said, I want to do a couple more deals. I'm just I want to know where I put that lip balm. I want to say it's in my bag, you guys, unless I should go run in the store and see if I left it in the store. But not a big deal. Not a big deal. So, anyways, my total came to $18.97. I ended up getting 1,200 points. I needed one more penny of beauty to get the 5,000 points, and then I got 4,000 points for the soft soap, and then I got 3,000 points for the Revlon tools. So I also got that $5 register reward, and then I got $1.30 back with Ibotta. I got that back right away, and then I'll get $1 back from Saving Star for the Dixie plate. So my total came to a 33-cent moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I was pretty excited for, but I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. I hope you guys have an awesome deal. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for another haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.